Hello guys, welcome to Virgo Philippines. Ayan. Reading ito about Virgo, take only what resonates. Para sa mga gustong magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Ayan. And yung aking TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot, check mo na lang din sa TikTok, no? Kung may TikTok ka. And yan, start na natin. This is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Take only what resonates. What do we have here for the sign of Virgo, please? For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Virgos. What is this, Virgos? Unang labas pa lang ng cards, it's the Nine of Swords. Yan. The Fool is here, so I want to get more card, no? Clarify this. Nine of Swords and the Fool. You do have here the Two of Cups. Okay, iba't ibang sitwasyon nakikita natin dito. Some of you, I can see a problem na pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. Kasalukuyang pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. And we do have here the Fool. Some of you, it could be something na bago. Like, maybe the wheel is here, so nakakita tayo dito ng malaking pagbabago. And I feel like for some of you, yung iba maybe a problem of na may kinalaman sa relationship. Kung hindi man may kinalaman sa relationship, pwedeng kung hindi relationship mo, relationship ng iba. Basta I can see two people, couple, ayan, mag-asawa or magkarelasyon na pwedeng sila yung nagkakaroon ng problema, or this could be a relationship between you, no, with another person. And nakita natin, this could be something na may malaking pagbabago regarding that relationship, or may new beginning na nagkakos ng malaking problema. Okay? So, yun yung nakikita natin dyan. Tell me about the person nakakonect ni Virgo. Tell me about this person nakakonect ni Virgo. Yung iba sa inyo, ganito ang situation, pwedeng yung person mo nakakonect pagdating sa love is may bagong connection or may bagong relationship, and ito yung nagiging dahilan para umiwas ka or lumayo ka sa kanya, no? But pwedeng may kinalaman sa another new relationship. So, take only what resonates, guys. Ang dami kong binanggit doon. Pwedeng dalawa doon ang makarelate ka, or isa lang, or pwedeng lahat ng yon. So, bahala ka na ilagay doon ang sarili mo sa sitwasyon. So, sino tong person nakakonect ni Virgo, please? Seven of Cups. Three of Wands. Palace of Coins. Yan. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sag. The Sun is at the bottom of the deck. Knight of Cups, the Tower. I feel like nakakita ko ng person who is thinking about pagta-travel. Like maybe naiisip niya itong pagta-travel na to as someone or something na makakatulong para ma-achieve niya yung mga pangarap niya. This person is thinking about a home, about a house, yan. Nakita tayo ng person na may mga toxic doon, or kung hindi man mismo doon sa loob ng bahay, maybe sa kapitbahay, gano'n. Nakakita tayo ng mga problem with the people na malapit dito sa taong to, which is yun nga, pwedeng doon sa bahay mismo or the neighborhood, you know what I mean? This person, nagpapakita siya ng happiness with the sun. So with the Knight of Cups, ina-accept niya yung ending na ito eh. Whatever is ending, whatever changes ang nangyayari ngayon, ina-accept niya ito kasi kahit papaano nagdudulot naman ito ng happiness sa kanya. Masaya siya. I feel a lot of excitement, no? And this person, yeah, pwedeng may inisip siya regarding pagta-travel or something. Anyway, what is the situation? Now, dahil iba-iba yung energies na nakukuha ko, I will try to get us like kahit mga tatlong situations, and kahit alin doon yung makarelate ka or makaresonate ka. Okay? Hindi ko sasabihin na lahat yun makakarelate ka or makakaresonate ka. Kunin mo lang kung alin doon. Okay? So, for the sign of Virgo, please. For the sign of Virgo, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter Virgos, please. Hindi ko alam kung nagsusuklay ka ba ngayon or you're touching your head or someone is touching your head. This could be a reading. Anxiety is here. So, of course, nagkakaroon ka ng problem. Nagkakaroon ka ng mga stress yan. You do have your anxiety. This is you. You're scared, you're malungkot, kaya nakakita tayo ng mga changes ngayon. Maybe yung iba sa inyo paglipat ng tahanan or someone here is moving out, aalis, lalayo. And this is causing you sadness, no? Or maybe may mga nawala or umalis sa inyong tahanan na nagdulot sa iyo ng lungkot. And you do have here retaliation. So, I feel like some of you, you're thinking na you are being punished, no? Being punished or feeling mo, ano ba to, bakit parang hindi maganda yung nangyayari sa akin? May mga naiinggit ba sa akin? Na evil eye ba ako? So, may mga ganun akong situation na nakikita because you are currently feeling a lot of, you do crush also. It's sad, broken, and feeling alone. So, that's one of your situation. And tell me more. Tell me more. Situation, please. Another situation. You do have your crickets. For some of you, pagdating sa person nakakonect mo, pwedeng you're not talking, there's silence, or yung person mo is not talking to you, or wala talagang connection or communication at all. You do have your divine masculine, and tinatry mong maging matatag or wag pansinin. You know, sige, there's this forbidden love here and then tragedy. So, yeah, pwedeng may another connection na involved sa connection na ito. So, pwedeng nasa side mo, nasa side niya, whatever. Pero nakikita natin na ito yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi magkaroon ng connection. Because maybe there's another person involved. Kung nasa side niya yon, ayaw niya magkaroon ng pagkakagulo. Ayaw niya magkaroon ng sabihin na natin third party. This person is focusing sa kanyang present. The today is here. So, this person is focusing sa kanyang present. Whatever is happening now sa kanya, ito yung focus niya. Hindi siya nakafocus sa future, hindi siya nakafocus sa past, but rather sa present moment niya. So, if your person is dealing with another person, nakakonsentrate siya doon sa person na yun. Okay? One more situation for the sign of Virgo, please. You do have here insatiable. So, I feel like some of you, you could be this person na you want more dito sa person na ito. Or might be kung ikaw ay magka-connect ngayon, you want more dito sa taong ito, sa ka-connect mo ngayon. You do have your commitment. So this is, the relationship or connection. Yung iba sa inyo, you want commitment sa inyo ng person na ito. Gusto mo ng commitment. Yung iba sa inyo, kung may relasyon na kayo ngayon, kung may relationship or may karelasyon kang iba ngayon, yung iba, another person, nakikita natin na gusto mo ito na itong person na ito, na ipakita niya yung more niya. You don't want less from this person. You want the best version of this person. Okay? Pwede ngayon ikinakahiya mo tong taong to or nahihiya ka sa mga ginagawa niya or mga nangyayari sa kanya or what. And this is causing you na para maging either cold ka sa taong to or medyo masakit ka magsalita. You do have your love affair. I feel like for some of you, kung may mga ginawang kalokohan yung person na ito in the past, until now, this past energy is causing you na mag-isip or makaramdam ng mga hindi magandang emotion. Na parang, oo, nangyari na yon, but still, even though it's the past, I can still remember it. So, may mga times na bumabalik. Katulad ng isang alon, you do have your waves na although matagal na, bumabalik at bumabalik pa rin sa isipan mo. 'Di ba? Yung alon, makikita mo pupunta yung tubig sa laot or sa malayo, pero babalik din sa pangpang. And this is your energy here na naaapektuhan yung emotions mo dahil sa mga minsan na mga isinikreto niya sa'yo. So if you are in a relationship, for some of you, you don't like what happened. Kumbaga parang yung hindi magandang nangyari sa inyo, hindi mo yun gusto. Pero nangyari na. And although your person is, I'm seeing commitment, so pwedeng itong person ito once na nangyari yung trahedya, yung problema, and now your person is committed to you. Sabihin na natin, pinagsisihan na nagkaroon na ng mga hindi na uulitin na pangyayari na, sabi niya, ayoko na, hindi ko na ulitin yan, ganito, ganyan. Some of you, you're still hiding the pain. You're still hiding itong anxiety, this stress. Emotionally, some of you, okay, nakahil na para sa akin, sige, limot ko na, pero time will come na maalala mo pa rin eh. Mahirap naman talaga kasing kalimutan yung isang bagay na talaga nagmarka ng sobra sa puso mo, sa isipan mo. 'Di ba? Na okay, may mga times limot mo, pero may mga times bumabalik. So, I feel like yung problem or yung problema niya, maybe may kinalaman sa social media or something that you see or saw dito sa social media. So, you have this unconditional love towards this person, but especially there's children na involved para sa inyo, so mahal mo tong taon to, and pero hindi mo pa rin maalis sa isipan mo kasi nga ito yung nagpapabigat sa iyo eh. Still itong mga alaala na ito. Okay, so take only what resonates. 3 yung binanggit kong situation, but I don't know kung saan doon ang situation mo. Okay? So, what will happen? Kunin naman natin yung situation ng person na kakonect mo, Pagdating sa love, please tell me. Please tell me situation ng person na kakonect ni Virgo. Okay. Guys, thank you sa mga lagi nanonood sa akin. Nanonotice ko yung mga lagi nagko-comment. Natutuwa ako, Napansin ko, nag-comment na siya doon sa isang video. Tapos nag-comment na naman ulit. Yan. So, natutuwa ako, Siguro next time, i-shoutout ko. Hindi kasi ako pala reply and pala heart, pero binabasa ko yung comments, guys. So, please do comment down below. Yan. Parang I remember yung isang nag-comment is like parang siya lalaki na may salamin and then may cup. Yan, nanonotice kita. Thank you for your comments, guys. Anyway, next time mag-shoutout ako. Drastic and alien is here. So, your person is cutting off. Yan. Cutting off. And you do have your drama queen. So, kasi sabi ko nga sa'yo, ayaw niya magkaroon ng kaguluhan, pagkakagulo. Ayaw niya ng mag-cause ng magselos kung nasa side mo yung third party. So, ayaw ng person na ito na magselos yung person mo. Kung nasa side niya, ayaw niya magselos yung person niya. You know what I mean? Tell me about this, please. Way Too Drastic and Alien. Okay, you do have here roller coaster. So, this person, medyo magkaiba yung perspective ninyo eh. Magkaiba yung pananaw ninyo sa buhay ngayon. Maiba yung pagtingin mo ngayon sa buhay. Na maiba rin, and naiiba din naman yung kanya. So, hindi kayo nagtutugma. So, that's why this person is, you do have your racing. And I feel like, this person is thinking of you, no? Don't get me wrong. This person is thinking of you, pero ayaw niya magkaroon ng pagkakagulo dito sa situation ngayon. So, hanggat maaari, iniiwasan ganitong person na to. But, I don't know why, but etong person na to is still interested. That is weird, no? Sa totoo lang. Interesado pa rin siya. The interlude is here. This is excitement. This is a person who is nakaantabay sa kung ano sasabihin mo, kung ano i-message mo or what, kung anong mangyayari, maipopost mo, etc. Nakaantabay siya doon. This person is watching you. This person is umiiwas pero nandyan pa rin. Hindi lang nagpaparamdam. And I don't get it. Tell me another situation, please, for the sign of Virgo. So, iba-iba nga kasi yung sitwasyon. So, talagang kukuha din tayo ng tatlo. Denial is here. Single is here. Yan. Oh, sorry. May isa pa pala dito. Recalling. Okay. Escapade. Oh. Someone is coming back. And if you're dealing with a single person, this person is coming back. Or some of you nakakakuha din ako ng energy na pwedeng single sa papel, sa dokumento. Pero maybe may karelasyon or may anak, pwedeng ganun. Wait lang guys. May maliit na insekto. So, anyway, this person is coming back. Yeah, this could be a person in the past. Babalik siya. To have a vacation, to have your cleansing. Nakamoy ako ng pabango ha. This could be a reading. I don't know kung bumili ka ba ng pabango or something to do with pabango. Yeah. I just want to know more about dito sa pagbabalik nitong person na ito. Tell me about this. Journal is here. Racing. Meeting. Searching is here. Oh, I'm seeing a person who is coming back. Pero, this is a person na minsan nang umiwas or lumayo sa'yo. When I say minsan, so this could be a past person. Pwedeng may pag-iwas in a way na pwedeng hindi siya nag-message. or matagal, pwedeng taon or buwan na hindi kayo nakapag-uusap. Wala din kasi siyang masabi sa ngayon. So, and I can see a person na denying ang kanyang emotions. Nakakita rin ako ng person who is always wearing a cap or sombrero, so laging nakasuot ng ganyan. Or maybe a person who really do like cars. Pwedeng marunong din siya magtugtog ng keyboard or ng piano. Or, ano ba yun? Kalimba. I don't know what musical instrument. Yung maliit lang siya na parang pinipindot-pindot na gano'n. It's like kalimba. Hindi ako sure kung yun yung pinakatawag doon eh. Anyway, you do have your meeting. So, you will be meeting this person. For some of you, laman itong taong ito ngayon ng search box mo. You do have your searching and it is showing us laman ng search box mo pwedeng sa Google, sa Facebook, whatever. Lagi siya nandun. So, you're always searching for this person. Messenger, anywhere. So, what will happen? No, kulang pa ako ng isa. Another situation. You do have your lost and verge. Bottom of the deck is happiness. Okay, some of you remember the person na sinasabi ko na pwedeng masaya ngayon? Whatever is problem na nangyayari sa kanya ngayon, this person is happy. And, although nakakaisip siya ng mga kung ano-anong isipin, I can see a person who's always wearing a ring, lagi nakasuot ng singseng. That could be your person. And I told you this person is focusing sa kung ano yung nangyayari ngayon. I feel like this person is about to reveal something. So, itong taong to ay may i-reveal or sasabihin. It's like some kind of confession na pwedeng magdulot ng pagka-cut off mo or nung mga tao sa paligid ninyo. Okay? So, I don't know kung ito ay love-related or family or friends related, whatever. But, yung iba sa inyo, take only what resonates, but yung iba hindi ito love-related. So, there's a confession and pwedeng ito magdulot ng blockage or pagka-cut off na energy. So, tell me about the future for the sign of Virgo, please. Tell me about the future for the sign of Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. You have your love. Intervention. That is weird kasi this is intervention pero yung nakikita kong anong tawag dito? Word is not intervention but rather interlude. Interlude. Okay. You do have here focusing or focus, entrapment. And bottom of the deck is soulmate. And TikTok. Ayan. The way I see this, so interlude, kung hindi ka familiar, in interlude is makikita siya sa, what do you call it? Parang may tricycle sa labas. This could be a reading. May parang or motor na inoon, binubuksan. Ganyan. Motor na binubuksan or yung paanda rin. Or tricycle. This could be a reading. Anyway, and I can read the word witch. So I don't know if you have watch or search something na may kinalaman sa witchcraft, or maybe you have done something na may kinalaman sa, kung hindi man witch, it's like anong tawag dito, spell, or may mga binanggit ka na words na may kinalaman sa witchcraft. This could be a reading. Yeah, I can dito sa particular crystal ko yung nakita yung message na yun. So yeah, that's why I love my crystals, na nagbibigay sila ng messages sa akin. Now, yeah, and I don't know kung ikaw ba ay, another message is kung yung dulo ng name mo or dulo ng pirma mo is letter Y, or wait lang, itry ko isulat ha, kasi syempre sa pirma hindi naman siya Y talaga, 'di ba? But rather yung kung pipirma ka, pwedeng, 'di ba, the Y is like this. So either yung end ng iyong pangalan is Y, or kung pipirma ka, parang pa ganun yung dulo. Yan. Like a Y, 'di ba? Basta pataas or pa-check. That is the end of your signature. So, take only what resonates. I'm just saying. So, this could be an R, a Y, or what. Pero, hindi kasi letter yung nakikita ko, but rather like a sign na, pwedeng sign na ganyan, or pataas na ganon. So, pwedeng ito ay pirma. No? Sa dulo. Take only what resonates, guys. So, anyway, balik tayo din sa reading. Love is here. And makikita mo to eh. In the near future, you would see this face to face. Not only you would feel it, but you would face this love. I can see pregnancy for some of you. There's pregnancy in the near future for you. And nakakita tayo ng money na involved dito. Yan. Yung iba sa inyo, someone here is really focused sa'yo. This person is really thinking of you. And nakakita ko na pwedeng mahiya ka na magpakita. So if this person is going to show up, I feel like mahihiya ka magpakita. That's the energy. And bakit? Because I feel like hindi ka pwedeng physically you're not okay, or you don't feel comfortable, or you don't feel good, ganon. But I can see soon enough itong taong ito is magpapakita sa'yo. And this could be a soulmate here. Karmic is here. So, you will be meeting this person, but yung karmic is around. So, that's a third party. So, some of you, sa love-related, nandyan si third party, pero nandyan si soulmate dadating. Tell me about this. Yeah, you do have your triggers, pretending, realization. I feel like one of you in the near future is having realization na yun yung nakakapagpa-trigger dito sa person na ito kung bakit kailangan niya makipagkita. Like, this is the reason kung ba't ako makikipagkita sa'yo. Because although hindi niya kayang sabihin pa sa'yo ang totoo, but this person is going to show you yung kanyang sarili, like gusto niya face to face, because somehow may mga nare-realize siya, may mga nalalaman siya. And tell me about this. You do have your magnetic, so you could be dealing it with a twin flame, soulmate. Trash is here, so I feel like natututunan niyang tanggapin yung connection ninyo. If there's a third party, willing alisin si third party to make this work. Willing siyang alisan yung third party or tanggalin si third party to make things work between the two of you. Okay? Ito, tinatago niya yung emotions niya towards you eh. You do have your access granted, unconditional love. So, tinatry niyang itago yun eh. Pero, the waves is here. So, pabalik-balik. Like, hindi niya na ma-deny. Oo, tinatago niya. Maybe in the past, dinedeny niya. Pero hindi niya na kasi ma-deny eh. You do have your children. Na yung love niya sa'yo is like unconditional, that this is something na marami siya natututunan dito sa connection na ito, and this person gusto niya pang malaman kung ano yung kahahantungan pa nitong connection na ito. So magsisimula itong person na ito na gumawa ng movement once na makita ka na niya. See, because I can see na sa ngayon, madali pang iwasan or layuan ka because you're not here. I cannot see you. Pwedeng ganon. But things will eventually may pagbabago dahil sa simula ng pagkikita ninyo. So, yan. Doon pa natin malalaman kung ano yung mga susunod na aksyon, ano yung mga susunod na mangyayari. Sa ngayon kasi wala pa dahil hindi ka pa naman niya nakikita, hindi niya pa alam or whatever ang gagawin niya at sasabihin niya sa'yo. So hindi siya ma-social na tao or hindi siya more on social media. Hindi siya maganon na tao. Anyway, thank you for watching guys. I love you all. Sana nakarelate kayo ha. Sana na-appreciate niyo yung reading by commenting down below. Ayan, kasi sobrang na-appreciate ko yung comment ninyo. Sabi ko nga, binabasa ko yan. Pag pastime ko lang akong ginagawa. Nagbabasa-basa ako ng comment. Hindi lang ho ako talaga pala like at pala comment. Especially kung magbabasa kasi ako minsan, nakahiga na ako, yung wala na ako masyadong ginagawa. Ngayon, pag magbabasa kasi ako, kung mapapansin nyo, maiksi lang ho talagang daliri ko, hindi ko ho abot yung like, yung heart, or what. So, scroll lang ganyan, or whatever. Hindi ko po maabot yung mga ganun-ganun. And may mga times na nakakatulugan ko yung pagbasa ng comment ninyo. So, sana mag-comment kayo. Natutuwa po ako sa comment ninyo. Maraming salamat guys. I love you all and bye-bye.